Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled mustard greens. First, choose fresh mustard greens with crisp leaves and firm stems. Next, wash them thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, trim off any damaged leaves or tough stem ends to prepare them for the pickling process. This initial step is crucial for a great end product. Now, let's move on to salting and wilting. Generously sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt per pound of cleaned mustard greens. Massage the salt into the leaves and stems for several minutes until they begin to soften and release their moisture. Allow the greens to wilt for 2 to 4 hours. This process helps draw out excess water, concentrating their flavor and preparing them for fermentation. Next, we'll prepare the brine and begin fermentation. Create a simple brine with water, salt, and any optional spices you prefer. Tightly pack the wilted mustard greens into a clean, sterilized jar. Pour the cooled brine over the greens, making sure they are completely submerged to prevent spoilage. Allow them to ferment at room temperature for 3 to 7 days, tasting periodically until they reach your desired level of tanginess. Once your pickled mustard greens are ready, store them in the refrigerator, where they will keep for up to 2 months. These tangy, flavorful greens are fantastic as a side dish, in stir-fries, or added to soups. They offer a wonderful crunch and a burst of flavor to many meals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.